Most custom cars are cool, but these are absolutely insane. We're talking about multi-million-dollar machines, wild sci-fi designs, carbon fiber beasts, and real-life Batmobiles. Built by elite designers and billionaire celebrities, these cars break every rule of tradition and taste. Some are armored tanks, others are glowing gold rockets. Every single one is one of a kind, and they make Lamborghinis look boring. If you thought money couldn't buy creativity, think again. These aren't just cars, they're rolling statements of wealth, ego, and imagination. Buckle up, and here are the 7 most insane custom car builds of all time. 7. 24K Gold Nissan GTR, Dubai's Golden Monster. In Dubai, being extra is normal, and this 24K gold-wrapped Nissan GTR takes that to the next level. Already a beast on the streets, this GTR isn't just about speed, it's about shock value. Every inch of the body gleams in real gold, including the wheels and interior accents. This car isn't meant to blend in, it's meant to stop traffic, grab attention, and scream status. While car enthusiasts debate the taste, one thing's certain, it's unforgettable. Dubai car culture thrives on boldness, and this golden GTR fits right in. Loud, proud, and unapologetically rich. 6. The Tank by Rezvani. Bulletproof and brutal, the Rezvani tank isn't just a vehicle, it's a personal fortress on wheels. With military-grade bulletproof armor, night vision, gas masks, and run-flat tires, it's made for extreme survival, but underneath all that protection is luxury. Plush leather seats, a touchscreen console, and premium tech. It's powered by a Hellcat V8 engine with over 1,000 horsepower, making it as powerful as it is protected. Celebrities like Chris Brown have been spotted in one, and it's built for anyone paranoid enough to expect the apocalypse, but rich enough to enjoy it in comfort. It's aggressive, armored, and absolutely insane. 5. Justin Bieber's custom Rolls-Royce Wraith. Tron meets luxury. When Justin Bieber decided to stand out, he didn't just buy a Rolls-Royce, he transformed one. Working with West Coast Customs, he reimagined a Wraith into a futuristic spaceship-like cruiser. The biggest twist? The wheels are hidden, giving the illusion that the car floats. The body was reshaped, the front grille redesigned, and LED lights added for a Tron-inspired effect. Inside, it's high-end luxury with tech features and ambient lighting throughout. The whole project took over a year to complete, making it one of the most unique celebrity customs ever. It's flashy, strange, and pure Bieber energy on 4 wheels. 4. Batmobile Replica, fully street-legal superfan build for one dedicated Batman superfan. Building a street-legal Batmobile wasn't a dream, it was a mission. Inspired by the 1989 Tim Burton version, this build recreates the iconic car in jaw-dropping detail. It features rocket exhaust, grappling hook props, and even flamethrowers, just for show. The cockpit, voice-activated controls, and aviation-style instruments. Costing over $1 million, it's not just cosplay, it's a fully drivable machine that looks like it rolled straight out of Gotham. It's the perfect blend of passion, engineering, and fantasy. Proof that if you're rich and dedicated enough, anything is possible. 3. Bugatti Chiron Golden Era. Hand-drawn hypercar. The Bugatti Chiron Golden Era turns a 260-mile-per-hour hypercar into a rolling gallery. Commissioned by a private collector, this car features over 45 hand-drawn sketches of Bugatti's most iconic models. Each drawing was carefully applied directly onto the car's body and interior, requiring over 400 hours of work. This isn't vinyl or digital print, it's real marker art sealed forever. Underneath, it's still a Chiron Supersport, 1,500 horsepower, luxury cabin, and $3 million price tag, but now it's one of one, a visual timeline of Bugatti history. This is where automotive engineering meets high art. 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, 13 million luxury icon. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a billionaire's fantasy turned reality. Built over 4 years for one anonymous client, it's inspired by classic yachts and 1930s Rolls models. Its design features a dramatic tapered rear, massive panoramic glass roof, and no 2 parts alike. Even the trunk hides custom-built briefcases and luxury luggage. Inside, it's a sanctuary of wood, leather, and bespoke detailing. No logos, no mass production, just one car for one person. At $13 million, it's one of the most expensive new cars ever made. The Sweptail isn't just rare, it's absolutely irreplaceable. 1. Mansory Venatus Urus on steroids. The Mansory Venatus isn't just a modified Lamborghini Urus, it's a hyper-aggressive transformation that turns an already powerful SUV into an outrageous work of art. Mansory replaces almost every exterior panel with custom-forged carbon fiber, reshaping the body with wide fenders, sharp angles, and an enormous rear wing. It looks like a supercar from another planet. Under the hood, they tuned the engine to produce over 800 horsepower, launching this beast with supercar-level acceleration. Inside, it's just as wild, glowing LED accents, diamond-stitched leather, and bold colors